Next up, we have this Tumbler by Funky Junk. All right. And this is great to keep your drinks cold in the summertime, especially if you want to be by the pool. They have multiple packs of them where it says, I'll bring the whiskey, I'll bring the whatever. You know, we're going to keep it PG here for Amazon. It keeps your drinks nice and cold. It comes with a straw and a straw cleaner, okay? And the lid, so great for the beach. You don't want to get sand into your drink, okay? It is, I mean, technically it says it can be dishwasher safe, but I would wash these by hand. I always wash my tumblers by hand, especially with the ones with this writing. You don't want the wash machine to take it off by accident. So I always wash these by hand. That's just me. So again, it keeps your drink super cold, double lined. And guys, perfect for vacations. You need them for gifts. They come in multiple packs. You have bachelor parties, bachelorette, groomsmen, bridesmaids, all the above. Really, really great. Look how cute. Perfect little drink glass for summer. Love it.